Alright guys, here we go. I've already said in a couple other videos, E90 M3 ZCP, I think it's probably the most beautiful car BMW's designed in a long time, and it's definitely the most fun. So let's talk a little bit about adding some spacers, give it a little more stance. This car has 19-inch wheels, 265 19s in the back, 245 19s in the front. And it just is a little bit sunken. You can kind of see in the pics here. These are all before. 15 mil in the front and then a 10 in the back, which is just enough to make it a little more flush. You can really see in the front, it's kind of sunken in. Such a great wheel design, and it really fills out the fender, has that great concave look when they're pushed out just a little bit more. So I got ECS Spacers. Shout out to those guys, I've been using them for years. Love what they're building here. Easy install, love that little plastic padded socket thing. Don't scratch up your wheels. Here's the before, and you'll see the after just pops it out just enough. It's super flush. Could go a little more extreme, but that's not me. I don't want it to rub. The car's lowered with H&R Race Springs, so it's a little bit lower than stock, not crazy, but it sits really nice. The rear, I think, came out even better than the front. Love how the rear sits. Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. These are brand new in the pics. And there's the before and after. Really fills out the fender. And here we go. Came together really well. Here's a little video. Let's do a walk around where you guys can see it up close. Kind of see how it looks in the flesh. In my garage, so I gotta walk around this pole thing, this post. But you can see it really just kind of fits the fender. Once you have a little bit of spacer on your car, I think this applies here or any car, especially any BMW, it just looks better. Everything kind of fits a little bit more, and you'll think, how did I look at this car before? What a simple mod for a couple $100. Really looks improved. We can see the rears perfectly, just like fitting in there. Fronts, with coils or with a little more spacer, maybe we'd keep going, but front of this car is so aggressive. It's filled out. Those arches are just huge. Love the hood bulge. Talked about it plenty of other times. Okay, here's a couple of the pics. Guys, remember to like and subscribe. It really helps noobs like me build more content and put stuff out on YouTube, because I know I'm building the right stuff and you guys like it. Thanks.